Hi, how you doing? I'm Mark Bradley from tallguymarketing.com and welcome to my WP Affiliate Suite review. So this has just been released today by Chris Derenberger. It's starting off at $12.95 on the early bird, and then it is going to go up. It's basically a WordPress affiliate course showing you everything you need to know about how to build a WordPress site, all the plugins you need, content, how to construct it, how to build it, all that good stuff. Chris really knows his onions. I'm in a Facebook group with Chris, kind of known him for about the past year. He's a really nice guy. He's very responsive, and as I say, he really knows his shit. You'll probably have seen he used to do a lot of product reviews, just like I'm doing just now. But he has also been building WordPress sites very successfully, promoting products, and that's basically what this course is all about. So let's jump over to the sales page. We'll have a quick look, quick run through there, see what he's offering. I'll take you through that. Then I'll show you, I actually bought this about 6 weeks ago, I think. As I say, I'm a member of his Facebook group, and he released it early to some of the members on there. So I picked it up for $12.95. I've gone through it. It's a superb course, and I've been building a few sites. I'm not going to show you those. Obviously, I don't want to reveal my niches, but they're going really, really well. So with that said, let's jump onto the sales page. Here we are here. So as I say, it's early bird at the moment, $12.95. I don't know what it's going to go up to, maybe about $15 possibly. But yeah, so you'll have kind of been through all the bump, probably gone through this, and you'll be looking around. If you've got any questions, incidentally, I'm quite happy to answer them. So please, down below in the comments, just hit me up. I'll get straight back to you, and I'll help you out any way you want me to. It'd be great if you interact with my channel. Even if you want to, give me a like, send me some love, hit that notifications bell. That would be great too. Because I really genuinely do enjoy helping people out, especially with this, because as I say, I'm doing it. I've built a couple of sites, and with this training, I've built WordPress sites before with different training, but this is really, really good stuff. As I say, Chris knows his onions. So here's some of the rankings he's got, some of the results. Nearly $3,000 for that. He's ranked number 3 in Google, number 1 in Google, and this is with, this is exactly what he's teaching in this training. This is how he managed to get these rankings and this income from exactly what he is teaching in the training. There are a few upsells. I'm not going to go through them. You'll see those in other people's videos. I don't tend to go through the upsells. I'll leave those as a surprise. You can suss that out your own. I'm just going to go through the front end. So here's the sales dashboard. Yesterday I made $100. That's not yesterday, Sunday. That's a previous screenshot. The last 13 days, I mean, almost 13.5 grand in a month. I mean, that is life-changing money. And this is no BS. I mean, Chris walks the talk, and he really is genuine. As I say, some courses that come out, you can read between the lines. Some of them are rehashed and absolute shit, and some of these guys you can't trust. Chris, you can. Go check him out. If you don't believe me, go check him out. You'll see all his reviews that he's done. His videos ranked number 1 every single time, pretty much. These are the themes. Now it comes with a free theme. Already comes with a theme loaded in to the product, baked in. But these are themes. I think they're about $16 for each theme that you buy. But they're ready to go out the box. There's no dicking around. Everything's set up. That's the great thing about this course. Everything is set up. You can build a WordPress site in less than an hour. Right? I've done it. I know I've done it. I built my first one in under an hour, and the second one roughly about the same. You can have your own WordPress site up and running. If you buy this today, you could have a WordPress site up and running today. Absolutely guaranteed. If you get your thumb out, you buy this, go through it, digest it, and follow everything that Chris shows you, you could have a WordPress site up and running by today. You won't be making money by today. You might not even be making money by the end of this week. But if you keep plugging away, putting up posts, he reckons maybe about 5 posts. Okay, with 5 posts you can start making money. And he shows you an easy way of how to, you know, get content, all that good stuff. You don't have to pay for it. You can outsource it. But there you go. Okay, so that's the sales page. I say if you've got any questions, hit me up down below. Ask in the comments. I'll help you out. No worries. Okay, so $12.95. As I say, it is going to go up. I don't know what it's going to go up to. Maybe about $15, maybe more. I'm not sure. So there's some Q&As. And he offers a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so you can't say fairer than that. Let me begin. As I say, I bought this 6 weeks ago as an early adopter through Chris's Facebook group. So I'll just show you what you get for your money. Okay, so that's me. Welcome, Mark. That's me. And this is the members area. I didn't buy any of the upsells. I don't need them. The front end training is more than enough for me. So this is the first page you would land on if you buy it. And as I say, if you do get it, please get it through my affiliate link down there below. You'll see the blue bonus create link. And I'm going to show you in a minute after we've gone through this. I'll show you the bonuses I'm offering with this. I reckon they're pretty good bonuses. You might too. Have a look at them. I guess you'll be looking around. I understand that, you know, there's 101 kind of affiliates promoting this today. So have a look at their bonuses and then come back and have a look at mine, and you'll see that the bonuses I'm offering are way better than some of their bonuses. Okay, hand on heart, I absolutely believe that. And I'll show you, because I've got a star bonus, my main bonus, which I guarantee nobody else is offering. Absolutely. So there's the upsells now. As I say, I ain't going to go through them, and I will show you some of the training. I'm not going to play the videos, okay? But I'll just show you some of the training that comes with it. It's a really in-depth, full course on everything you need to know about building your WordPress site and selling affiliate products through it. Okay, so there's it shows you a wee bit of proof here, how affiliates make money, what's launch jacking. These are all kind of sort of theory sort of videos, how to get approved from networks, you know, like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, all that stuff. And it's not just, you know, there's quite a few networks that goes through. It's not just ClickBank and Warrior Plus. How to choose the right keywords. This is number one, okay? If you don't get this bit right, you're absolutely shafted from the beginning. You have to get the keywords right, okay? That's where a lot of affiliates fall down. They give up, they can't rank, and it's because they're not choosing the right keywords. Okay, so Chris goes through all of that. As I say, you saw from the sales page how he's ranking number 1, number 3 for a lot of these products, and it's because he chooses the right keywords. Okay, so that's the first part of the affiliate training. The WordPress training is where it's at. This is the kind of main meat and potatoes of this product. Okay, so look at all the videos you're getting here. And some of the videos are kind of fairly short. That one's 4 minutes. Some of them are a bit longer, but you know, rest assured, everything you need to know is in here. Absolutely, this is a real thorough course. How to buy hosting and domains, installing WordPress, emails, how to import the WordPress theme that comes free with this product, username, emails, settings, plugins, overview. And again, these come all set up. These are already set up. All you need to do is upload them into your hosting and you're pretty much good to go. There's a wee bit of tweaking here and there, but you won't have to dick around with all the heavy lifting. It has all been done with you. That's the beauty of this, you know. It's Again, that's maybe where a lot of people get caught up. What plugins do I use? How do I do that? What settings do I need to use? This is all baked into the theme that comes with this free. How to customize your theme, categories. If you wanted an opt-in newsletter to get a bit of traction with buyers, that's a really good idea. How to write articles and reviews, really important, and that includes obviously the keywords that I touched on earlier. What results you should expect, how to cloak your links, banners and ads, getting your posts indexed, that's really important in Google, analytics, and a PDF checklist. Okay, so that's it. There's a lot of videos in there, but everything you need to know about getting a WordPress site up and running, ranking and making money, this is where it's at. Absolutely promise you. As I say, you can see I'm a member of this. I've been through it all. I've built websites using this, and it is absolutely brilliant stuff. Okay, please check my other reviews. I don't just do reviews for the sake of doing reviews. I do reviews on products and people that I trust. Okay, a lot of affiliates don't. They'll just promote any old shite. They don't care. They just want to make money out of you. And okay, sure, I want to make money. That's the idea of doing this, but I won't do it at any cost. I will only promote genuine products by genuine people that I trust, products that I know that work because I've been through them and I've used them. So absolutely rest assured, I've got your back. Okay. Right, so that's the training. I'm going to show you my bonuses quickly, and then I'm going to come to an end with this video. Okay, so this is my bonus page here, and as I say, you'll see that the blue bonus create link down there, right, just below this video. Click on that. You will come through to this page, and you click on this button here. There's another one down below. There's two buttons. Click on either one of these buttons. This will take you back through to the sales page. Pick it up through the sales page. Click on the link in the sales page. As I say, I will get a commission for that, which I would really appreciate if you do it through me. Thank you very much. And you will get all the bonuses that I'm about to show you when you check out Warrior Plus. So you'll have two options in Warrior Plus when you check out. You will get the main product download. You can click on that to get that, and there will also be an option below that to click on to get all my bonuses as well. Okay, so you'll get my bonuses plus all the bonuses that Chris is offering. You see those on the sales page. Don't worry if you kind of miss it, because you can always go back into Warrior Plus into your purchases and click on it if you miss it the first time around. Okay, no worries. Alright, so as I say, this is indeed my bonus page for WP Affiliate Suite. Okay, and the first bonus I'm going to offer, and strictly for the first time people only, is one-on-one email coaching. Okay, so I will send you my email, my personal email, where you can ask me any questions. You can hit me up. I'm very responsive. I answer very quickly. I'm in there every day. Any questions you have about this course or anything else internet marketing related, I will do my utmost to get you sorted out. And if I don't know how to do something, I will find out how to do it for you. Okay, so you're absolutely covered. And as I say, if you want the benefit of my wisdom, I've been through this training, I've used it, I'm a real user. As I told you, I've built WordPress sites, and I can take you through everything you need to know. If you get stuck in anything, yeah, Chris's support is great, but you've got his support as well, and I've got your back too. So let me make it absolutely clear, it's for the first 10 only, so you need to be quick, okay, because this will go quickly, it always does. So yeah, I can't imagine there's many other people offering a one-on-one email coaching bonus, but I am. So there you go. Okay, so that's my star bonus, my main bonus. You'll get my help, absolutely. Second bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel. This is really handy for this training because Chris doesn't go through it. He's got another brilliant course called WP Affiliate Tuber. Affiliate Tuber. which I also have, and that is brilliant training. It's all about YouTube videos and how to rank and how to make affiliate sales using YouTube. So I'm going to send you this bonus as well, how to explode your YouTube channel, everything you need to build your YouTube channel and make sales using videos on YouTube. Okay. Bonus number 3, how to make a squeeze page. Again, this is really important. Internet marketing, you need a squeeze page. Okay, you need somewhere to send traffic to capture their email address. All right, this shows you everything that's required to do that. Fourth bonus is the lost code. This is a course which was released last year by Brendan Mace. Really popular course. Most of these are still on sale. You can check them out at Warrior Plus. I think the lost code is probably, and all these other courses are about $15 maybe. I don't know. Check them out. But you'll get this absolutely free through me. Bonus number 5 is Fuego Breakout, was by John Armstrong, again released last year, one of the most popular internet marketing courses ever, I think. A lot of people swear by it. A brilliant course, all about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, everything you need to know, and you probably have heard of John. He's like top affiliate, absolutely top affiliate. Bonus number 6 is The Secret Weapon by Eric Sagi. I bought this when it first came out. And again, it is soup to nuts internet marketing. Internet marketing 101. Everything you need to know about internet marketing is in this course. Again, yours absolutely free when you pick up WP Affiliate Suite through my link. Okay. Last but not least is a great alternative to ClickFunnels. So this shows you how to set up your sales funnels, okay? But ClickFunnels is very expensive. It's $97 a month. It's a lot of money. If you want to save that, then you need this tutorial, and I will send it to you absolutely free. You can pick up through my link. Okay, so once again, click on here, come through to my bonus page, click on that blue bonus crate link down there, through here onto my bonuses, click on here, go through to the sales page, check out, and you'll get all these bonuses that I've shown you, absolutely guaranteed. All my help as well. For the first 10 only, please bear that in mind. That is absolutely, I have to stick to that because, you know, my time is precious, obviously, and I can't take on a lot of people answering questions day in, day out, but I will do it for you if you pick this up today through my link. Okay, so that's pretty much all I've got for you guys. It's the same. Any questions about this? It's the same. I'm a real user of this. Please ask me down in the comments down below. I would love to help you out. I do my best to get you squared away. And with that, that's all that remains. I hope you've enjoyed this review. I think I've covered everything. So I'll let you get on with your day. Thank you so much for watching my WP Affiliate Suite review. I hope to see you on the other side, and take care.